Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Hetty. So we reached 60 subs, people. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I'm so grateful for the love that you've shown me and support on this journey. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed already, girl, what are you waiting for? Come on, hop on the train. We don't want to leave you behind, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Also make sure you click on the notification bell so that you can see all my new videos, okay? So in today's video I wanted to bring you an update on my hair since my big chop 3 weeks ago. I've been so excited about this hair. So far I am loving it. I'm loving how easy it is. I'm loving how simple it is to wash. My wash time has significantly decreased. You know, previously I would spend hours on it. Now it's quick and I love it. I love it so much and I'm really enjoying the hair. I'm still waiting to see a barber so I can, you know, at least have a shape up or maybe cut it down a bit. I've been seeing some tapered style ones and I'm really been loving it, so maybe I might do a bit of a tapered cat, but I don't know yet. But so far I am so happy I did it, yo. I am so happy I did it. I wanted to bring you an update of my hair and what I've been doing to it and just the style that I've tried and I've loved so far. Obviously it's only been 3 weeks, so you know I'm still yet to try a whole lot. We're in this together, so I wanted to show you what I've been up to and so far what I've been doing with it and the style that I've been doing to it. So okay, let's move on. So this is my freshly washed hair. So far I haven't changed any of the products I was using while I was in transition. I had a few of you asking what it is you can use for your hair, so I wanted to share a little bit of what I use and what's been working for me so far. So first of all, for my shampoo and my conditioner, I have been using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor Oil Strength and Restore. I don't know if you can see it, but I will leave all the products details in the description bar, so not to worry. So this is what I've been using, and I've really been loving Shea Moisture brand, you know, on my hair. I think I was using it while I was in transition, but now that my hair is all natural, I'm really loving it and I'm seeing even the benefits even more. So I'm really happy about it. The way it makes my hair look, the way it makes it feel, it's been great. My scalp feeling great, you know, so I'm really loving it. I also use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Treatment Mask, which I'm loving as well. As you know, I'm obsessed with apple cider. My hair loves apple cider. Anything that has apple cider vinegar, I'm in for it because my hair truly loves it. Makes it shine, makes it bouncy. Some of the products that I've been using are my homemade shea butter mix, which I've mentioned in a few of my videos. So I just mix shea butter, raw shea butter, olive oil and coconut oil, which my hair loves as well. You can use it whether you have a natural hair, relaxed hair, in transition. It's good because those 3 products or those 3 ingredients have lots of benefits for your hair, no matter the type of hair you have. So my favorite product of all has been the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Oh my goodness, I was using it before, but with my all natural hair, it's amazing and I love it. I've really been loving it, so it's been working so great for me. It's good for hair growth, stops breakages, and so far it's been amazing. If your edges are non-existent, as I always say, these will bring them back from wherever they've been, you know. Not to worry, I'm gonna do a detailed video about all the products that I use, just to help for those that are not sure what to get for their hair. because I've been having lots of questions about that as well. So don't worry, I'm your girl. We're gonna do this together. I'm gonna share with you all the things that I've been using that have been working for me, and I'm gonna be as detailed as ever to help you with options for the different kinds of hair that you may have. So in today's video, I wanted to show you my go-to style for the past 2 weeks, I should say, which has been really good for me, and I've really laughed, and I've been getting so many compliments about it. So let's get into it. So my hair is freshly washed. The only product I have in there at the moment is my leave-in conditioner. Yeah, so this is what I have in there. As I am leave-in conditioner, that's what I have. I think with short hair, I am so tempted to wash like regularly, but I'm stopping myself because I know the damage that can do to your hair. So I try as much as possible not to wash it regularly. But it feels amazing when the water hits your scalp. It's a whole new experience for me, and I'm really loving it. So I'm going to just put a bit of my Jamaican black castor oil. Just a little bit, not too much. I don't know if you can see, but just a little. So what I do is I just go in and massage my scalp with it. So for this style, all you need is a spray bottle with water, yes, and you need some gel, and you need some butterfly clips. You can do it without it if your hair is like really short, there's no point, but it helps to separate the hair when you start doing it. Yeah, and that's it. That's all you need. So let's carry on. So I'm just gonna wet my hair a little bit because this, I prefer it to be a little wet because my hair is quite thick. If it's not wet enough, I would need to put in a lot more gel, which I don't want to do. So I try to wet it a bit more. I like to start from the back and work my way to the front. It's easier for me that way. You can section it into little bits. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to section it. I'm just going to hold on with this one. Use my spray bottle to wet a little bit more. I'm going to put a bit more gel. So also use your detangler. This one I like because it brings out the curls a little bit more. It helps the coiling to be easier and to look even better. So sometimes, because my hair is thick, I always need help with something, making it a bit smoother. So just a little bit like this. So take the gel and just twist it in your hand, just a teeny bit. So just go around your fingers like this and just roll it out. You see it? Yeah, see? That's how it works. Hope you can see already that it's like turning out really fab. scrub section like this, and then with your gel you just release it. You just take a little bit, coil it, put it aside. Same thing. It's quicker this way as well. If not, it's gonna take you forever. So for my edges, I use Castor Shea Butter Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. This is how it looks. You only need a little bit. And voila, that is it. I love it. I hope you do as well, and you're gonna give it a go and let me know how it goes as well. If you need any tips, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Do this style, okay? Do it, try it, see how fabulous it looks. Yeah, and let me know how it goes. But when you wake up, just fluff it up and put some oil in it and you're good to go. I usually use my black castor oil in it. Style it the way you want. You can do a pattern here like I have, or here, or you can leave it like that. It's up to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, okay? Thank you for watching.